a guide you to edit draft videos and upload to Instagram Reels. So let's see how to edit and upload them. You can go to your Instagram, tap on the reel icon over there. You can go to the reel. There you can see the drafts. If you tap on draft, then that specific draft will be available here. If you tap on that, then if you go to the edit button, you can edit that specific draft. You can add music. So you can add clips, you can add text, you can add the sticker, you can add the captions. Even you can save that video to your gallery. And from here, you can see if I need to add cute doggy, and done. And see, I can drag it everywhere to place. So tap on next. And if I tap on share, and now this reel, that specific reel which I have edited now, if I tap on share, that has been uploaded. This is how you can edit draft videos and upload them to your Instagram reels. Thank you.